Hello, my dear kids. Today we are going to listen to a beautiful story. This story was written by Tujan Gamki. In 2017, under the guidance of the principal of the primary and Professor Nihar Dayavansar, we implemented the butterfly committee in our section, grade 5. So Tujan was in grade 5 in 2018. He was a very active member in our committee. So this is his own experience, how he learned to admire this beautiful creature, butterfly. So my dear kids, now we will listen to his beautiful story, My Talking Butterfly.
Once upon a time there was a rich house with a garden. In that garden there was a katurmunga plant. One day my mother laid eggs on that plant. After 5 days these eggs turned into caterpillars. I am one of them. There were some elder brothers, younger brothers, elder sisters, and younger sisters. But some birds ate all of my family members. I hid under a leaf, but someone saw me. He is the eldest brother in that house. That brother was very kind. He did not hurt me. He picked up the leaf that covered me. Then he put me into a glass bottle and gave me leaves to eat. Then he kept me in a safe place. He has no work. He looks at me and talks with me. My dear caterpillar, very soon you are going to be a butterfly. He told me. I didn't get scared because he loved me a lot. Now I am 10 days old caterpillar. Now I am a big caterpillar. Now myself is allergic to the elder brother. He, if he touches, he starts to scratch himself. So now he afraid to touch me. But he comes to watch me and talk with me. Today I am celebrating my 14th day of becoming a caterpillar. Now I am in a cocoon till I become a beautiful butterfly. On those days I did not eat, and the elder brother thinks that I am angry with him as I don't eat. I am not angry with you. You are the one who protect me. If you were not there, my life would be a yummy meal for a bird. Now I am 3 weeks old. Now I am counting the days to be a butterfly. The day became a butterfly early in the morning. I wanted to show the elder brother, now I am a butterfly. I am so happy. I have yellow wings. Now I can fly. He woke up early in the morning and visited me. He was so happy. He called his parents and showed me, see mom, my small caterpillar now has become a butterfly. It is a beautiful yellow color butterfly. I am so happy. I am releasing him in my garden. Till this day, I was inside a glass bottle. I also like to go out and see the flower garden. It is a beautiful garden. It has lot of colorful flowers. The brother opened the bottle and released me. He said, my little friend, you can fly now, but come again and see me. I love you a lot. I am flying happily, but he was sad as I went away. I was also sad, but I thought I am never going away from the garden. Every day I will come and meet my friends.
That was a beautiful story by Tujan Gamage. I'm sure that you have enjoyed it. Tujan has seen the beauty of this lovely creature, and also he has seen how these little creatures got targeted by different predators. But the beauty was he never tried to harm or kill these predators. Instead, he found a very beautiful way to express his experience. That's how he wrote this beautiful book. So Tujan, well done. We are really proud of you and we really appreciate your creativity. And my dear kids, you also can write something new, something fresh, and something very creative. There are a lot to admire in this Mother Nature. So you also write some beautiful stories, short stories, poems. We are always there to support you, guide you, and to appreciate your talent. So these days you have enough time. So write something new. When the school starts, you can bring your creative thoughts to us. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.